Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
If footage shows a red missing icon, stop and do not relink blindly. Note the clip names and timestamps shown in the browser and timeline panels. Open the browser and view file roles and clip names for clues. Check external drives and the original folder path before relinking anything. Verify the drive is mounted and indexed by Mac OS Finder, not just visible on the desktop. Make at least one backup of the library or event, ideally on a separate drive, before proceeding. Use File, then relink files to target a folder or an entire drive. Click Relink Files and choose the missing clips you want to reconnect in the dialog. Use File relink files to search specific folders or an entire drive. In the dialog, enable search folders and resolve by file name to increase match accuracy. Choose the correct file by matching name, timecode, and format information. If relink fails, use Reveal in Finder to manually locate the original file. Consolidate media into library storage or copy media into one organized folder before editing. Work with managed libraries or use Finder organization to keep original paths static. Consolidate media to library storage or copy media into one organized folder. Create automated backups and version libraries, keeping at least 2 copies offsite for recovery. Use consistent folder naming and avoid changing file paths after import to minimize.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.